all. I'm Lakshmi Prasanna, the news reader of the day. I'm here in letting you know about the real successful programs of Technical Hub in the recent days. The programs are All Coder and Project Space. All Coder. The extensive 60 days of All Coder program has created a great way in helping trainees to understand the advanced level of coding skills. The effective training program also sets the tone for proceedings well in advance. All Coder program has extremely helped student fraternity in bringing the real potential to every candidate. Technical Hub has trained the trainees in all the possible ways and made them attain the knowledge on aptitude, reasoning, presentation skills, communication skills, competitive coding, and many more on every special day. The best to be spoken is all about the HR mock interviews were taken to all the trainees to build the confidence level in them and also help them in building the video resumes where the industry focuses more these days. Learning could be so interesting. This made true at All Coder program. The trainers have worked well with all the trainees in clearing every doubt of theirs. The event is one of its kind. Trainees have solved multiple programs on various platforms like Geeks for Geeks, LeetCode, and also problem solving in HackerRank. That is not only the one, the trainees were given a lot of space in recreational activities like rock band, industry expert talks, alumni exposure were also being a part of a program. The upcoming batches await to be part of All Coder 2. The next program is Project Space. Project Space is a signature event that is organized once a year by Technical Hub to help trainees put their skills to the test by working on real-time projects in industry-oriented manner. Our last event was organized from the 9th to 14th of May and it was exclusively for all the trainees who were a part of the Drive Ready and T-shaped engineer program. These trainees have worked round the clock to meet the primary objective of the program, that is, identify, solve, and deploy. They utilized their skills to solve these problems using technologies like AWS, cybersecurity, Linux, machine learning, and IoT. These individuals have worked round the clock the whole week before they finally deployed their final product and presented it to a panel of judges. The top projects won exciting prizes and were given the opportunity to showcase their projects and deploy them within the campus. But that's not all to wrap up the event. There is an exclusive tech party organized for all the participants on the weekend. You can encourage our trainees by supporting them in the upcoming Tech Pro competition. Are you interested in being a part of the project space? Come on, enroll to your upcoming Drive Ready or TSC batches and start getting yourself prepared. That's all for the day. Thank you.